Sound off?
Hey, Tom.
Okay, this is the small tool cutter, or tool grinder that we have in the college in the center one. It's we're going to use this because it's simplest and the easiest to use by hand. We're going to use this to cut a dovetail. The wheel's already been dressed before, so you don't have to ruin another fully square wheel to do it. Open this up, and I've already backed off on these, so they were quite tight earlier. This is the nut that holds the wheel on, the taper onto the shank. This is the nut that goes on and pops off the self-locking taper. This is the right hand to pop it off. It's a left hand nut to hold it on, just so it doesn't spin itself off while you're grinding. Now when you mount a wheel, make sure you have the blotter on both sides. It takes up a little bit of shock in that, or you won't crack your part. And with these small wheels, you just turn it on until it tightens. With large wheels where you have a series of bolts to tighten the hub down, you use a torque wrench, and there's a certain torque value that you can get from the wheel manufacturer or online, if you trust the website. And this is not going to go on.
Let me pause.
Yeah.